One of my favorite ways to start a day is to have a task from the night before that I want completed. So I wake up knowing what my challenge is for the morning. And it could be work related, it doesn't always have to be, but it has to be something that has a definitive outcome of saying, hey, I'm going to achieve X. And so that might be fixing a piece of code, that might be physically building something, it might be clearing an inbox or whatever it is. There is something that is meaningful to you to complete for some reason. Now, that can take anywhere from half an hour to 4 hours. There's no rule to this, it's just a correlation that I found of getting up. First thing you do is complete a task that uses your brain a little bit, that you feel a sense of accomplishment having completed. And then having a light snack, light bite, and then going to the gym and lifting some heavy weights. And then after that, pushing yourself, getting those few extra reps you didn't think you were going to be able to do, having a breakfast with a few people. It is probably my favorite way to start the day at the moment. I absolutely love it. Because anything else that I do that day just feels like a win on top. Like, I feel like I've achieved my progress for the day in both a work, mental, and physical capacity, all of it in one go, and then kind of the world's your oyster. Anything that you get done is awesome. But I don't know why, I just feel like it's a really great way to start the day, and I've gone through different phases of trying to be up before the sun rises and sitting down and doing 4 hours of work before doing anything, or eating first, or exercising first, and what we like shifts throughout life, but having those couple of wins first thing in the morning, it doesn't have to be early, whatever time morning is for you. At the moment, for me, it's like 8:30, 9, not that early. But I've gone through periods of getting up at 4 a.m. too. So, but the trick is for me, having a sense of accomplishment in a couple of domains within your first 4, 5, 6 hours of the day relieves pressure from the rest of the day. And that's kind of a correlation that I've found across some of my most favorite days. There you go. Fun ways to start a day. Have a great one. Peace.